Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate ice cream. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of heavy cream and 1½ cups of whole milk. Don't forget 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Also, have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 teaspoon of salt ready. These basic items are the foundation for a rich, creamy dessert. Next, we'll create the delicious chocolate base. In a medium saucepan, whisk together the cocoa powder and granulated sugar until well combined. Slowly pour in the whole milk and heavy cream, stirring constantly to ensure a smooth mixture. Heat this over medium heat, stirring occasionally until it just begins to simmer around the edges. Do not let it boil vigorously. Once the mixture simmers, remove it from the heat immediately. Stir in the vanilla extract and the salt until fully incorporated. Now, it's crucial to chill the base completely, transfer it to an airtight container, and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. This ensures the best texture when churning in your ice cream maker for about 20 to 35 minutes. After churning, your ice cream will be a soft serve consistency. Transfer it to a freezer-safe container, cover tightly, and freeze for another 2 to 4 hours to achieve a firmer, scoopable texture. Serve it up and enjoy your homemade treat. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.